Autauga County Farm Tours. My mom's boss, Mr. David, is hosting it. It's going to be a long day full of super fun farm things. So I will bring y'all along with me and show y'all what I experienced. See y'all in just a second. Hey guys, we're here. So they're about to start the show. It's like where they introduce like all the sponsors and stuff. So we're gonna watch that, and then once we get more into like them teaching us stuff, I'll talk to y'all. Bye.
The number of copperheads in particular increases exponentially. So if you want less copperheads, how many of y'all want less copperheads? Gee, almost as many people as like deer. If you want less copperheads, then you want more king snakes, because the fire, please reach out. There's a Central Alabama Prescribed Fire Association that can help you burn your properties. There's the Alabama Prescribed Fire Council. Absolutely. Particularly things like our...
Oh, there he is. That's what I want to see.
Cottonmouth. This is the one that I could have stepped out that was on my property. I mean, that was there by the pond. You know, it's
So,
that's awesome.
yeah, exactly. They got that good special flavor, you know?
I think it was a park.
Let me ask you this.
As the name implies, they specialize in rats. That's some nice, no birds on some like birds on occasion. But they're
So, looking at harvesting, how many of y'all again harvest timber? So, a few of y'all harvest timber. So, when you're working with loggers, if you work with a forester, most likely they're going to know what loggers are peeling free, but if not, make sure that loggers peeling free. Hunting in tighter spaces. Anyways, any questions y'all might have or whatever about anything? We're going to do a little small presentation here in just a second. I'm going to let a couple dogs out and go out here and see if we can find a bird or two and get them up. But any questions from anybody?
That dog said I gotta go. It was a super fun day and we got really wet. Bye guys.